Howdy, this is Steve with the UCA Biology Department, and I'm going to show you how to make a video on a PC using PowerPoint. It may work the same on a Mac, but I don't have a Mac to test it out on. So under Slideshow, there is a function called Record Slideshow. If I click that button, what you're seeing here is I have two screens open, one on the left and the right. You don't need that for this to work, but you can see what I see on both screens. So here I have a record button. I can turn a webcam on and off so folks can see me. Hi! On the bottom side of the screen. And if I hit record, it says 3, 2, 1. Now it's recording my slideshow. I can talk. I can change slides. I can click on a pen, and if I have a tablet or even if I want to use a mouse to circle things and highlight things, I can do so, and then export this as a video to a platform like YouTube, and I use a private link and then share it with my students on Blackboard. Alright, give it a try, see what happens, play around with it, and if you have any questions, I'll try to answer if I can.